Biggest red flag in a property.
Neighbour's garden.
One word to describe the current market.
Strong.
Best time of the year to list a property.
When you need to sell it or when you want to sell it.
Dream architectural style.
A very small bungalow on a very big plot. Or something similar to the Cathedral in Milan. Most unusual thing you've seen during a viewing.
Not unusual, but I've seen somebody answer the door to me in their underwear.
The one room in a house you can't live without.
Kitchen.
How many coffees, brackets, black coffees, do you drink a day?
I have probably 2 double espressos before I get to work, and then I probably have 3 before 12 o'clock.
Wow. One rule you never break in a negotiation.
Except the first offer. Welcome to Chris and Ben's Quickfire Questions from Harrison's Homes. Ben, give it a bit of value to this one. So first thing you notice when you walk into a house.
Sorry in advance, is it dirty or clean? If it's dusty, what can we do? Can we clean it?
Boom. Best return on investment renovation, kitchen or bathroom?
I would say kitchen, in my opinion.
Cool. The one thing sellers always forget to clean.
Underneath the toilet lid.
Yep.
Yep, definitely.
Open house or private viewings?
I like private viewings in the form of an open house.
Come back to us on this one if you're curious what we mean. Biggest red flag in a property?
Neighbour's garden.
Does curb appeal actually matter?
Yes, if you like looking at your house on the way home. I do.
Best time of the year to list a property?
When you need to sell it or when you want to sell it.
Great. So Ben, quickly go through this one with me. So what is your dream architectural style?
A very small bungalow on a very big plot. Or something similar to the Cathedral in Milan.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Learned something new.
There you go. I've been on the roof of that building.
Modern new build or period conversion?
Period conversion, even though I live in a new build.
Most unusual thing you've seen during a viewing?
Somebody in the bath.
Have you?
Yeah.
Oh, decent. Male, female?
Male.
Maybe not. Minimalist or maximalist decor?
Minimalist, definitely.
The one room in a house you can't live without?
Toilet.
City apartment or country cottage?
Country cottage.
Smarter tech or original features?
Original features.
Perfect. This is going to be hard for you, this one. So anyway,
Okay.
let's go with it. Right. Fast-paced, 1-second answers.
Let's do it.
Carpet or hardwood?
Carpet.
Open plan or separate rooms?
Separate rooms.
Negotiating or networking?
Negotiating.
Morning viewings or evening viewings?
Evening.
Paper maps or sat-nav?
Oh, sat-nav.
Garden or balcony?
Garden.
Closing a deal or listing the property?
Closing a deal, that's what we do it for.
Perfect. Right, behind the scenes round.
Oh, God.
How many coffees a day do you drink?
Monday 7, most days 3.
Yeah, standard. What's always in your car boot?
Spare tyre.
Hardest part of the job?
Dealing with you.
Best part of the job?
Dealing with you.
One word to describe the current market?
Strong.
Your power song before a big pitch?
Many men, 50 Cent.
Fair enough.
Sure, why not?
Ben
Right.
and Chris's quick fire rounds, Chris edition.
Yes, Chris edition. The pro insight round. First thing you notice when you walk into a house.
I noticed the house first, so it's however it looks is the best thing that you can do. No, that doesn't make sense, does it?
Well, it's fine because the question is answered.
Right.
The best return on investment, kitchen or bathroom.
It'll be the kitchen. It's the main room people pretty much live in.
Yeah, that much is true. One thing sellers have always forgot to clean.
I'm going to have to go underneath the toilet seat as well.
He's stolen it. Unbelievable. Open house or private viewings?
Private viewings in block viewings.
Yeah, no worries. Biggest red flag in a property.
Neighbours.
I'm adding one as well. Biggest red flag in an area or a road. But don't give me neighbours. God, that's a hard question, isn't it? 3, 2.
I can't answer it.
Potholes. Does curb appeal actually matter?
Massively.
Okay, nice. Best time of year to list your property for sale?
There is no best time to sell. It's when you're ready to move.
Absolutely. The lifestyle and fun round, if you're not already having fun. Your dream architectural style?
Georgian.
Oh, I like that. You knew that. Yeah, modern new build or period conversion?
Period conversion.
Who would have thought? Most unusual thing you've seen during a viewing?
Not unusual, but I've seen somebody answer the door to me in their underwear.
You say not unusual?
I haven't seen it more than once.
Okay.
Or is that the most unusual?
I would say most. If it's not unusual, then it's common.
Was it unusual?
Does Lizzie listen to this?
No, I told her. Let's go back to it, actually. I have seen a sorcerer's room in the bedroom, which was a dining room with loads of glass, crystal things, a little bit interesting.
Interesting. Minimalist or maximalist decor?
Minimalist.
Yeah. The one room in a house you can't live without?
Kitchen.
Well, you're buggered if you need the loo. City,
Outside.
apartment or country cottage?
Country cottage.
Nice. Smarter tech or original features?
Smarter tech.
I'm going to add one. Loft conversion or move house to upsize?
Loft conversion.
Why?
Because I didn't want the hassle of moving.
what
I'm
we
talking me.
That's our industry, Chris.
Yeah?
Okay.
But then you've got to go through the upheaval of doing it.
Yeah, that much is true. Rapid fire either or questions. You ready?
Yep.
Carpet or hardwood?
Carpet.
Open plan or separate rooms?
Open plan.
Yes. Negotiating or networking?
Networking.
Nice. Morning viewings or evening viewings?
Morning.
Yeah. Why?
It's weird, actually. 'Cause we do evenings, don't we, mainly? Morning.
Daylight, isn't it?
For me, I'm more energetic in the morning.
Fair enough. Paper maps or sat nav?
Sat nav.
Yeah. Garden or balcony?
Garden.
I was going to say. I thought you'd like a good barbecue and an ice bath. You can't fit all that on a balcony. Closing deal or listing the property?
Closing the deal.
Absolutely. That is a very silly question. The behind the scenes round. How many coffees, brackets, black coffees, do you drink a day?
I have probably 2 double espressos before I get to work, and then I'll probably have 3 before 12 o'clock.
Wow. 2 before you get to work?
Yep.
You're
I'm up
normally in
early,
at
aren't I?
7,
I'm up
yeah.
at 5.
What's always in your car boot?
A load of rubbish.
Makes sense. Hardest part of the job?
Letting somebody down when the property falls through.
It's a tough one. Best part of the job?
When you've had a really difficult deal from start to finish and you get it over the line.
It's a nice feeling, isn't it? One word to describe the current market.
Good.
Your power song before a big pitch.
It'll be a motivational video from YouTube.
That makes sense. We're going to go through it, I suppose, the deal or no deal quickfire format. Could be a draft, could be something that goes in a bin, could be something that ends up right before your very eyes. We're learning it on the fly. So let's go. Buyer scenarios is the first one.
Go.
Okay, asking 500k. The offer's 485k. The buyer is chain free. Deal or no deal?
Deal.
Yeah, okay, makes sense. Asking 400 grand. Full asking price offer. Buyer needs to sell. Deal or no deal?
No deal.
No problem at all. How would you handle that? Just really quickly.
There's various scenarios.
Okay, moving on.
Yeah.
If you're in that position and you need help, DM us. 2 offers. 495 cash versus 505 with mortgage. Deal or no deal? Where are you going?
Subject to the mortgage situation, it could be no deal.
Okay.
And it all depends on the seller's circumstance.
Yeah, that makes sense. Offer accepted. Buyer asks for 10k off after a survey. Deal or no deal?
Subject to the circumstances.
This is so wishy-washy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay,
no
that's
deal.
fine.
No, we can go with it.
We'll go with it. That's fine. Buyer wants a whole 2 weeks to think at the best and final. Deal or no deal? They're missing out.
No deal, we're in control.
Okay, great. Seller scenarios next. Question number 6. Seller wants 20 grand over market to test it. Deal or no deal?
No deal if I feel it's unrealistic.
That makes sense. Even off market? Even with the off market approach, would you try it?
Subject to the property and the demand at the time.
Right. Excellent answer. Offer agreed. Better one comes in same day. Deal or no deal? Reservation agreement not signed.
Okay, we should have checked all potential buyers previously to highlight and give everybody the opportunity.
Yeah.
So we'd have to present it to the seller. It's
Legally,
their
yeah.
choice.
That makes sense. I think that's the best possible way you could have argued that. I think this is like questions for a typical estate agent that doesn't have things in place to protect buyers and sellers. Seller refuses viewings until price is dropped. That doesn't make sense. Let's move on to the agent stroke negotiation scenario. Buyers will not increase but wants property to be marked SSTC. Deal or no deal?
No deal.
Yeah, this is interesting. Let's just, yeah. Moving on. Offer made verbally. Proof of funds coming later. Deal or no deal?
No deal.
No deal, absolutely. Chain of 4. Top buyer not yet instructed solicitor. Deal or no deal? I think you'd try and do what you can to push it along. wouldn't you?
Again, it could be a reason as to why the person hasn't instructed their solicitor. So is that the person there that has now offered on our property?
Well, I would assume the top... It's a bit wishy-washy, that question, isn't it?
Okay, so they haven't been instructed as solicitors, they haven't been guided properly by their current estate agent. That's not unnormal. So subject to them instructing their solicitor pretty sharpish within 24 hours, it could be a deal.
Yeah, absolutely. Deadline set for the best and finals. It's at 5 p.m, but one buyer asked for an extension. Deal or no deal?
We'd have spoken to the seller before, and if we'd agreed that day, unfortunately, it'd be no deal for that buyer.
Yeah, absolutely. That's the thing as well, isn't it? You know, we can wait all day, can wait forever, but it's probably not the right thing to do.
And they're usually, if they are waiting for after that, it's probably because they haven't got their finances in place, which means they should have got their finances in place at the very beginning. Check out our other video.
Right, this is rapid wildcards on this one. Gazumping in a hot market. Deal or no deal?
I don't agree with gazumping or gazundering.
I happen to agree with you.
No deal.
This one's interesting. Reducing the price after 14 days after receiving no offers. Deal or no deal?
Subject to the response. If there is no response and it's been fully marketed, it may need to be addressed earlier rather than later. But if there is strong demand in the property, then no deal.
This is an interesting one as well, and I know it's case by case, but accepting lower offer for quicker completion.
Again, subject to the buyer's circumstance, etc. If that's what the seller wants, it would probably be against our advice, but there's many scenarios there.
No problem.
I always believe in getting the best price for our sellers, so it being no deal. But if the seller needs it to be done, I'm guided by them.
Yeah, I think you could not have answered that in a better way. And to close, one rule you never break in a negotiation.
Accept the first offer.
Wonderful. Well, I think that is all. It's a bit, played a bit of deal or no deal there. Noel Edmonds, I know he doesn't do it anymore. It's a different chappy, isn't it?
Yeah.
But anyway,
good.
regardless, there you go. There's your deal or no deal. You might enjoy it. You might think it's absolutely mental. But thank you for listening.
We improvised it with that time, so let's do a little bit more of that. Because again, you get to the truth, don't you, I guess?
Yeah, you do. I quite like that sort of format.
Well, you get the truth anyway. That's badly said, isn't it?
It's been a long day. We've done a lot.
Thank you, though.
Thank you, yes. Cool.